This morning I'm going to work on planting my mushrooms. So right behind me here is our chicken coop and an area with filtered light and some bark mulch. A perfect place to try and grow some mushrooms. So here's the chicken run. Here is some poplar trees that provide filtered light. Mushrooms can grow in full sun, I believe partial shade. Oh, and my daughter playing with the ducks. And what I'm going to be growing my wine caps and oyster mushrooms in is straw and wood chips. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig down in these wood chips that are already here. We're going to dig down a foot, layer some cardboard, and super distracted by my daughter. And then layer straw, hardwood wood chips, and the mushroom spores. Do that 2 or 3 times and then water it down. Alright, so we have dug out a space to plant the mushrooms in. We tried to go down about 1 foot deep, and it is about 6 feet by 3 feet, as I have 2 spore kits. So here's our hole, 1 foot deep, and now lined with cardboard. Next step is to wet down the cardboard. Right here I have my spore kits. I have blue oyster and wine caps from Fungi Aquafo, out of Sundry, I believe. So these have been stored in the fridge until today, now that I'm ready to plant them. What I'm doing here is I'm taking these, what came in the spore kit, and I'm crumbling it so that it will be easy to sprinkle once I'm ready to plant. And now I have spread 1 layer of straw and then some wood chips. These ones are a friend we know who does woodwork, hardwood wood chips, untreated, and pretty fine, but I'm hoping they will work for growing the mushrooms. So here I've sprinkled some straw, just spread it around, and then I have hardwood wood chips from a friend of ours that I spread around. And now I have 2 types of mushrooms. I have one on one side and one on the other. These are wine caps. And the spore kit, I just kind of broke this up, crumbled it, and then I am sprinkling it in layers on top of the cardboard on the bottom. And we have straw, and then the wood shavings. I've already done 1 layer, and this is my second, and then I'm gonna do 1 more. So in total I will have 3 layers. Here's my mushroom bed. I thought I had completely failed my mushrooms, and then about 2 days ago we saw 1 red wine cap about that size, and all of a sudden today, like in just a couple days, you see there's a couple there. So I have hope that maybe a few more mushrooms will appear in here. I hope so.